Stock Watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and it's Monday, May 21st, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, a day after taking a breather, the bulls return Friday fully rested and ready to silence the bears yet again with another upward surge into the record books. The Dow closed at another new high, its 24th record this year, while the S&P 500 finished at its best level in 6.5 years and within 5 points of its all-time closing high. All 10 economic sectors finished positive. The bulls were established early in the when a preliminary read on consumer sentiment unexpectedly rose for the first time in 4 months. More merger and acquisition news, though, and anticipation of another merger-filled Monday were the driving factors behind the broad-based move that forced sellers to the sidelines going into the weekend. Reports that General Electric is nearing a deal to sell its plastics division for roughly $11 billion was the first noteworthy item to hit the wires. The second item in the bigger M&A driver was word from Microsoft that it will acquire Quantum for $6 billion or $66.50 per share in cash. That marked a huge premium to AQNT's closing price on Thursday, and it underscored the liquidity factor that continues to provide a floor of support in this market. Some upbeat analyst commentary provided an added boost of optimism. Intel is suggested holding the Briefing.com active portfolio, and Verizon Communications were upgraded. Fellow Dow component IBM hit a new multi-year high after UBS raised its price target on the stock to $124. The performance of those three components, along with GE's 1% gain and ExxonMobil's surge to an all-time high, even as oil prices closed flat, accounted for more than half of the Dow's 79-point gain. And now for our small cap news brought to you today by Hybrid Technologies Incorporated. Hybrid is a development stage company which engages in the development and marketing of electric powered vehicles and products in the United States. Now, some of the movers and shakers that we're going to be watching this week. .vn Incorporated announced that Dr. My Lim Truck has joined the company's strategic advisory board. Now, Dr. Truck will assist the company with strategic planning for future growth and implementation of key projects. The company also announced last month the signing of a memorandum of understanding with Quang Trung Software City Development Company to build out a 20,000 square foot internet data center in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. This will become the largest software park in Vietnam. The company also reported that the number of .vn domain names registered online by .vn increased 143% for the first quarter of 2007. The .vn is the Vietnamese equivalent of .com, which the company plans to register and promote those .vn domain names worldwide. .vn Incorporated opens today at $2.48 a share. BioStem Incorporated had a nice week, getting a boost on the anticipation of the company's planned acquisition of Cryobanks International Incorporated, which reports state is progressing to its final stages. The merger, which is contingent upon Cryobanks raising at least $9 million pursuant to a private placement, has been extended to March 31st of this year. If the financing successfully closes, this will put Cryobanks substantially over the $9 million financing condition, and BioStem and Cryobanks will immediately proceed to close the merger. BioStem Incorporated specializes in the collection, processing, and banking of stem cells derived from the umbilical cord immediately after birth. BioStem Incorporated opens their week at $2.01 a share. And that's it for our newsmakers on this happy Monday. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And make sure to look for the Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great start to your week, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
We've got it.